Sure thing, Paula. Thanks everyone for being here today. So as Paula indicated, I'll be talking to you about understanding Section 50 of the Civil Liability Act. Just want to make sure that everyone can see that PowerPoint now. Great. Okay. So I have been asked today to provide you an insurance law update, and what I'm going to be focusing on is Section 50 of the Civil Liability Act. This provides the intoxication defense, also deals with the role intoxication plays in the assessment of contributory negligence. I'm doing so in light of the decision handed down by the Court of Appeal last year in Payne, trading as Sussex Inlet, Pontoons and Liccardy. It was one of the first decisions to consider all of the provisions of Section 50 in detail. The section itself is quite complex, but it is one that can have a significant impact on the determination of liability in personal injury cases. You'll see throughout the presentation and in the slides that I have limited my language to injury, by the fact that the provision uses the language that also covers death and damage, but that's merely for brevity and ease. Hopefully the slides which you'll be provided can be a resource for later. They don't include the detail of everything that I'll be discussing, but hopefully can be a useful summary. Now, I'm sure many of you have encountered the issue of intoxication in your practice, but it isn't something that comes up all that regularly, especially in respect of Section 50. I hope by the end of this session, and you can see the learning outcomes on the screen, that you'll have an understanding of the relevant provisions of the CLA and the relevant authorities, and you should have an understanding of the principles that were discussed in Liccardy and the issues that remain undetermined, as well as a bit more insight into the implication for practice. As is the usual course with these sorts of things, I want to start by having a look at the legislation.